Somebody asked me, "Can you make this glass chimney?" Because I just fell in love with it. And I said, "I don't know. Let me see. Let me go see what's on the internet." So I did some research. And then I fell in love with it. And I said, "Wow, this has to be made." So then I thought, well, did anybody else make this in N scale yet? Any layouts anywhere? And so I asked AI. Ari said, no, no one's made it yet that she's aware of. And I thought, that's interesting. I thought, I really like that chimney. I want that chimney from, I don't know, I don't even have any room on my layout, but I want that chimney. So I said, I'm going to make it. And then I said to myself, wait a minute. Why do I have to reinvent the wheel? I've already got a power plant that I designed myself, that's built, that works. Why don't I just modify or bash kit or whatever you want to call it, my power plant station, throw the chimney in there, kind of change the roof line a little bit, and make it look like the pictures. And guess what? Here's what we got. Now, the next video you're going to listen to is where I screwed up, and the advice of my wife fixed this building so it looks really good. Now, it's put together, but I showed it to my wife, and she says, you know what? It doesn't look like a glass factory. It looks like a building with a chimney sticking out of it, and I think she's right. So guys, I want you to understand, it's good to have a critic in your family. It's good to be having someone that will always make you be better than you really are. I learned that in engineering too. It was always a good team of guys who didn't always just say yes to everything, but they were able to really question and say, should we do it this way? Now I'm going to show you a picture of what we worked on. We're printing it right now, but the idea is I wanted to share with you is make your stuff modular. So all I got to do now is just print this and reprint this. Like I said, everything else comes up out of the top. Nothing's connected, right? Well, let me show you the picture now. I think you'll agree this is a lot better Coke bottle picture than what we have right now. And all I got to do is change this and this. So that's the next lesson. Hope this helps you guys in your design and in your building. At the end of the pictures and at the end of the video where I talk about my wife correcting me and the reason it was the best thing she could have done for me, you're going to say to yourself, that's an impressive building. And it'll be on sale on Etsy if my wife chooses to do so. But I think we pulled it off. You tell me in the comments, what do you think? I love it myself, but I have no place to put it. So I guess I got to sell it, but it's up to my wife. Like, subscribe, and share. Help my channel grow so I can share and make more videos. And thank you for coming along this journey with me. Blessings. All aboard!